So, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever the time zone you are in. It's lunchtime here in Turkey. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Alper from the ABP development team. Today, I'm going to shed light on the innovative work of Volosoft, our company, and give you brief notes about how we started and the point we have reached. So, me and the ABP Framework's brain team have been .NET developers since the early 2000s. We have created many projects from scratch throughout our development lifetime. And we saw that we were repeating the same things every time. The only thing that changed was the business logic. And there were dozens of features in common. We started our journey not to reinvent the wheel on every new project. We decided to make it as open source. And after seeing the great interest of people, we decided that we should devote full time to this project. At this point, three friends quitted from the previous company and founded Volosoft to focus on this project full time. The name of the project started our journey was ASP.NET Boilerplate. We came with a very simple and impactful idea. Don't spend your valuable time to recreate login, authentication, user management, localization, audit logging, multi-tenancy, exception handling, and so on. And it has been a long time since we started this project, from 2013 until now. So this project was so popular among .NET developers that it reached 11K stars on GitHub, and 12 million Nugget downloads have been made so far. And we have released 232 versions and 176 contributors contributed to this project so far. And the project succeeded in entering under the umbrella of .NET Foundation. Today, there are hundreds of projects and systems currently using ASP.NET Boilerplate. In order to continue the success we have achieved from ASP.NET Boilerplate and to survive our company, we have implemented a new project called ASP.NET Zero for enterprise companies and users who want more advanced features. This project has been using the open source ASP.NET Boilerplate under the hood, but this time we used a paid theme called Metronic, and the .NET developers loved ASP.NET Zero. We made a tool that generates CRUD pages. We implemented line of business features like LDAP account security features in this project. We also provided premium support to the customers. And finally, with the money we earned, we could continue our open source projects, new project, and contribute to the other open source projects. As you know, things change rapidly in software development, and fundamentals are key to adapting quickly. In recent years, microservice architecture and modular software development trends have been attracted so much attention. Some of the projects start with microservice architecture, some out of necessity, and some just because it's trend. Although ASP.NET Boilerplate is a powerful and rock-solid framework, it still needs to fully meet modularity and microservice infrastructure requirements. So we sat down, decided to write a framework from scratch. The name of this project is ABP Framework, which gave its name to this conference, and that we'll spend our efforts on for so many years. So fellows call it ABPIO for short, but both are accepted. ABP Framework has been developed as an open source project since 2016, and we have released 164 versions so far, and it reached almost 10K stars on GitHub. And we got 16 million downloads on Nugget until now. While ABP Framework is an open source and free project, we made the ABP commercial for enterprise companies and users who need high-end features. This product is again built on the ABP Framework. In the paid version, we offer CRUD page generator, ready-made modules, and stylish theme. Our dedicated team provides premium support for the paid version. It's a project with a perfectly implemented multi-tenancy infrastructure. Its reputation has already spread among the .NET developers around the world. Whether you are planning to build a lightweight application with monolithic application or a complex, scalable, evolving application with clear domains, the ABP microservice templates are the best choices for your next project. All the templates are layered with DDD and comes with the best practices applied. With the paid version, we provide also custom development, live support, trainings, tools for maintaining your project. And there are several pre-built modules to kickstart your project, like GDPR, audit logging, chat, account module, language management, forms, CMS, blogging, SMS, payment. There are so many ready-to-use modules. And it's already being used by world-leading companies like Microsoft, Siemens, international banks, government institutions, and rated high scores by the users on Capterra, Software Advice, GetApp. We didn't just make frameworks and project templates. Our UI design team has also built a standalone theme. It supports MVC, Angular, and Blazor user interfaces. On the other hand, we write books to teach ABP better and to transfer our experiences to the other developers. Mastering ABP Framework, written by Halil Ibrahim Kalkan, helps you gain a complete understanding of the framework. And implementing domain-driven design is a practical guide for how to implement DDD. Building microservice solutions is a reference guide for developing and managing microservice-based applications. Community ABP IO is the address where ABP Framework users and .NET developers post articles and watch training videos. On this site, users get informed about ABP's development progress, version history, and ABP-related events. Another thing is ABP community talks. These monthly live shows hosted by the ABP team are casual sessions packed with community content, demos, Q&A sessions, discussions around what's going on in .NET and ABP. To reach our past events, tutorials, and training videos, check out our YouTube channel. At Blog ABP.io, we share our experiences, C# tips, latest .NET features, and news from other technologies. One of the key features of being a community is to bring members together. For this purpose, our Discord server is the place where you can showcase your ABP projects, share the tips that work for you, catch up with the latest news, and chat with the community members to exchange the ideas and have fun. We also attend other events like Microsoft .NET Community Stand-Up, .NET Conf China. Every year we attend NDC London. We don't just deal with our products, we also contribute to the open source ecosystem. As we benefit from the .NET world, we give back by writing tools, articles, and also sponsoring organizations like .NET Foundation, OpenID, Blazorize. And there is a very talented team behind these projects. Thanks to all the team members and community members that make this product great. I wish you an enjoyable conference today.